In this example, I'm going to show how we can connect to a SQL database and ask a question that involves some kind of a little bit complicated joins. So I'm going to connect to SQL here and going to connect to a local SQL server. I'm going to select Chinook data, which is sort of a sample database that has a somewhat complicated schema. So tables join to each other with different column names, and going to ask a question. So the question I'm going to ask is, so give me the top 10 selling artists. So you'll notice that it involves quite a few joins to get to our answer. And to do this, I'm using an open source model, Llama 4, and which isn't the best model that you can use, but it's fairly good. And in this case, like currently, it's free to use. It doesn't incur charges. So I'm going to look at the code that it generated. It looks good. So I'm going to execute it, see if I run into any errors. And it executes fine, and I get my answer. So these are the top 10 selling artists in my database. So yeah, just a quick demonstration of how we can use VerbaGPT or a tool similar to VerbaGPT, ask a question and have it figure out. I didn't have to know the table names in there and how to join the different tables. I know I have a database called Chinook. I know it has information on artists and sales and revenue and albums. So I can just ask a question in natural language, give me the top 10 selling artists. It writes code that's, even if you don't know coding, it's sort of readable. Yeah, even if you're not totally familiar with SQL. And you can say, oh yeah, it's kind of doing what I would expect it to do, and so forth. Okay, well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in a future video.